So for today's video, guys, I will be showing you Board Army. No? So Board Army, guys, is a platform wherein you can play a lot of games, of course. And my kid, if you're gonna see here, they have a lot of games here like Black Shooter, Jumper, Snow Surfers, Board Island, X Square, and many, many more. So for you guys to be able to register here, um, what you need to do is you can just log in if you have already an account, so by email. Then what you need to do here is you put your username, you put your email, you put the desired password that you want to do, and then just click register. So for me, I'm gonna put my own details as being mentioned here, guys. So I'm just putting it. Okay, I'm gonna put it. So I'm just gonna sign in directly. Okay, so I'm just gonna save it. And then as you can see here, I have 700 BUSD. Okay, so how to deposit in platform, I will be teaching you as well here. So for example, you want to deposit, you can deposit via BUSD. Then let's say you want to deposit 600 BUSD. And then what you need to do is you will need to copy this QR code and then put it into your Bybit or your Binance account, and then just withdraw via this QR code. Okay, so manually this is the address. Okay, so just copy the amount and the address, and for you to be able to withdraw, it's also the same. What you need to do is put here the withdrawal amount. Okay, so and also put the wallet that you have, so copy it from your Binance as well. Make sure to copy everything, right? So that's the first part. Okay, so into the main part, this is pretty much essential, guys, because your NFTs that you're going to get into this platform will enable you to earn money from playing games. Okay, so they have different games here as being mentioned. So all of these are free, and it's powered by Unity, so no worries, guys. So we'll play one game actually, so I'm just gonna disable the sound. So I'm gonna choose a hero. So I'm gonna select probably random or anything. But I guess I don't have a hero, so I'm gonna buy one first. So let's mint one, okay? Let's mint one. So hold on a moment, as being mentioned. So it will be free to play whatever the game he wants. So that's the information. So let's just wait for a few more seconds. And yep, that's it, guys. We have already a hero. So sadly, the image is not working right now. I hope it's gonna go back soon. But like what I mentioned, I can play any image, any games that I want here. So for example, this one. Now I can choose a hero. I hope. Okay. To be honest, I don't know yet. Oh, so you need to. Oops. You gotta avoid you gotta avoid hitting the blocks. So it's more of like a Flappy Bird wherein you need to dodge it, and then with the combination of a shooter base. Oh man, I already hit again. So that's one of their games. So one of the other games that they're playing is this one. So let's just click the adventure, okay? I think what you need to do here is to avoid the this circle over here, and then get the star. Okay, now we're good. Oh, oh, I suck on that one. So that's the other game that they have. So they have a portion here. Like for example, I have this NFT. I can put it into the marketplace, and then this NFT that I have, okay, I will get some profits as well from the people who are gonna use it. So for example, this NFT that I have, sadly, it's still like an image, not loading image. So this NFT that I have, someone rented it to me, okay, and when they use it to play games, I get 80% of the winnings or the profits, and the renter gets 20%. So it's good because it's just rent, and on other side, the people who are gonna rent this NFT doesn't use any money. Okay, it's zero risk for them. All right, and you can cancel the scholarship anytime that you want. So that's I think that's really good, guys. Also, um, for you to be deposit into the platform, like what I mentioned a while ago. So when you deposit here, you need at least $10. Okay, so it's not $5, it's not $7, $10 minimum. Okay, and you need to purchase energy in here. Okay, and this energy can be used so that you can get some profit as well inside this platform. And for example, if you have an NFT already here, like my NFT, okay, the ROI here, as being mentioned by the community, is you will get your ROI within 2 to 3 months. So after, of course, it decreases over time because what will just happen if the ROI is just very fast, and I feel like the liquidity will not last a lot, So of course, for you to be able to make money, you need to buy another NFT so that you can make an ROI as well there. So just imagine if you're gonna buy one NFT every let's say 3 months, so you get 4x. That's 3 to 4x of your money. Okay, so this is the marketplace like I mentioned. So there's a lot of heroes here, and you can rent. So you can choose which attributes you want to play with. So there's like hundreds of it, and surprisingly, there's like eight or nine NFTs that's available inside the platform yet. So yeah, so this is their official website, guys. So boardarmy.com. So when you play games, you win matches, you get gold. Okay, and then this gold can be exchanged into BUSD. So for example, so for 150 gold, you will get 1 BUSD. So you gotta stack those up. Okay, and it's cool because it's already a working game, and being mentioned, so they're just starting. So these stats can be better, like for example this goal, this can be better in the future. So they have this economics as well. So we just have to see if it's gonna work. So this is their Telegram. So they have 500 subscribers already, so I'm gonna join it. I'm afraid I can show it to you right now, but it's still relatively new, and it's good because, like what I've mentioned, if you discover the project early, it's always a best time for you because you have lesser risk than discovering it later on, because definitely you can take advantage on whatever stuff is doing here. And yeah, So for you guys, so that you don't need to spend any money, so they have a Gleam giveaway here wherein they are giving out 5 NFT tickets. So that's 5 NFTs in total, which is gonna save you $100 each. So as being mentioned, Board Army is excited to announce our upcoming mega giveaway. So 5 NFT tickets to 5 lucky winners. So for you to participate, you need to log in via Google or via email. So in my case, I'm gonna log in via Google because I love Google. So join them into Telegram. So I'm gonna doing it right now. So I'm joining them. So finish everything, guys. And so after that, I'm just gonna click continue. Sorry. So you need to follow all of this, guys, and you know, it's not that much, because if you're gonna get $100 for this, why not, right? Why not? And if you don't want to play, just rent it to anyone. So I think it's really awesome, guys. So I think that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you get something from me today. I'm still working on a lot of things, guys, but of course, I hope you had fun on this, guys. So there's a lot of exciting events, so you can play this on mobile as well. So BUSD is also good token because it's just stable coin. You know, you do not need to worry if the price is gonna go up or down in the future, because it's always bounded to, you know, stay at the on par on the dollar price. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I'm done speaking, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck.